Imagine never sending your CV again and but still getting job offers, clients, opportunities coming to you. Sounds unrealistic, right? Let me show you something. So when we come to building a professional profile, most professionals are stuck here, sending their PDFs, attached resumes, waiting and hoping to get the opportunities. And honestly, your CV gets ignored just in less than 10 seconds. So, what do you have to do? But instead, you just need to have a profile platform like this. Not just a resume, yes, but a living, breathing digital profile. So this is something that you share with someone, a URL, or someone finds it somewhere and they go through your profile, what you have done, your skill sets, the projects you have worked on, the positions you have held, the success you have garnered in the different projects you have worked on, what a CV can't put out there. So first of all, in your profile overview, this is your first impression, your story, your positioning. Not, I'm looking for a job. You already show this is who I am. I'm Power BI expert, PMP certified. You put your profile picture and you give a brief of yourself. After that, the skills and experience, the services and expertise you hold, it is a whole lot of it that uh, someone comes and goes through exactly the services you render, how you run them, coaching, doing online classes, training in workshops, webinars, and all that, which a CV is not going to put out right. And remember, here it is interactive. You can even give it more extensive with so many attachments to give the details to whoever it concerns. You have worked on. Every project becomes an evidence. You're not explaining what you can do, you are demonstrating it. So when I come to projects here, I'm demonstrating that I have completed this number of projects. I have this number of projects still going on, with clear definitive of how you have run these projects, what has been the challenges, what has been your success. It becomes also a learning tool for anyone who is inspired to be where you are. Obviously, you can have the resume attached, but this time it is just a small part of your profile, not entirely a resume dependent to explain what you are. So you can have your resume. Someone can view your resume from directly your profile. They can download it in case they need to apply it into their systems, ATS systems that HR is using to make sure that they get the real documentation they need to get with their systems. Obviously, everything is interactive and your skill set all put together, making sure that nothing is left unturned. Now, let's go to the resources and gallery. This is a spot where you put everything, where you have been, the rooms you have been in, where you want to show this person viewing your professional profile that I have been here, I've done this. Not talking only about hobbies, show them I've been doing water rafting on River Nile. I've met these people. I've worked on projects like these. I've been in trainings. I've been in markets. I've done research. I've got honors and awards. Show them it is not all about giving it in resumes and CVs. Then at the end of the day, you give people platform to reach out. I don't need to look out for who knows you to get maybe a contact, an email to reach out to you. Someone will reach out directly and you'll get the messages instantly, directly in this same profile we are talking about, because you're going to have an admin profile that you'll be able to update your profile photo, to update your resume at any point you feel like you need, when you have an update. To update your projects, you can add projects, you can delete projects, and give all the details you need for that project. Resources. If I'm a trainer, I can add here resources, attach files that people can easily reach out those files or download the files for any training resource, name them. Then gallery, you also update your gallery. From here, you can delete and you can upload more gallery as you can, depending if it explains the profile or if it explains to the person I've said, check out my profile tomorrow. I will share with you the link. I'll go back and update the gallery I need them to see. They go there, review the profile, and boom, that's will be. Then we have messages. Any message that is sent through the contact you, send a message. You'll be receiving these messages directly from here, and you'll be able to reply directly into their email addresses because they will have provided their email address when they are sending this message. Otherwise, you shouldn't have any excuse that I've not put myself out there. The resources are there. Reach out to us. We shall always advise on how you can go through this. Rather than sending your resume 100 times, you know what it feels. You pay DHL, you pay some companies to make sure that they reach your resume somewhere in a certain office. But in the age of the world now, where internet is everywhere, anyone can read about you even on their gadget as they're even traveling without looking out for a documentation that you shared on a mailbox somewhere. So if you are serious about your career, your brand, consulting, start building your professional presence like this. And I implore you, if you have not done it today, then there is no day you'll do this. Just start. Let your work speak by itself. Let your profile sell and let opportunities find you. Don't chase opportunities. Otherwise, keep updated for more videos like this. And when you come to our profile, that is Sabit Christopher profile.marcel.app, it is just in a testing mode, but you can give it a domain you feel like is easy for people to look through. You can find all our platforms here: LinkedIn, YouTube. You can find us on X, GitHub. We have a lot of documentation on GitHub and projects we have uploaded. Just comment wherever you find this video or reach out to us. We should be able to support. Otherwise, go ahead and continue following for more videos like this. Bye bye.